Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to educate you about the Marchman Act and specifically which county should the case be filed in. Now, we have a lot of people coming in from out of state to Florida. Number one, we have some really great treatment centers down here. Number two, we have the Marchman Act, and we also use Guardianship and Baker Act when appropriate. So we've got this amazing legal structure, we've got great treatment, and our judges, especially here in South Florida, are really, really switched on to this stuff. I mean, really amazing, right? Our judges, our general magistrates, they're amazing, and they do amazing work, and they allow us to come before the court and give us the relief we need. So we're grateful for our amazing judges. But sometimes, I get asked the question, well, this person, they're not a resident of Florida. Or maybe they're a resident of Florida, but they're in a particular county that we may not want to file the case in. And, I've talked sort of ad nauseum about some counties are better to file in than others. It's just the way it works, right? Know your county. What about if they're not even a citizen? What if they're on holiday? What do we do then? Well, the Marchman Act statute does speak specifically to that. And I'm going to give you the section number. It's section 397.681. Subsection 1, which specifically deals with jurisdiction. In other words, where do you file the case? And it says, the courts have jurisdiction of involuntary treatment petitions for substance abuse in persons, and such petitions must be filed with the clerk of court in the county where the person is located. And so the point of this is to inform us. And I say us, I mean us as lawyers, but obviously you as the general public, because you can go look this up, same as I can. It's telling us where to file the case, and it has nothing to do with citizenship or residency. It has everything to do with where is the person physically located. So as I've said, right, some counties are better at this than others. I've even encountered some counties that are still operating under the statute from last year, which is no longer in effect. I'm not telling you it's right. I'm just telling you, this is how it works, okay? That's not to poo-poo anybody, but these are some of the things that we see as practitioners. And after 32 years of practice, I've seen a lot. So it has to be done in the county where the person's located. Now, I may want this person in a different county because I know that, well, that particular county that they're in doesn't do a great job with the Marchman Act, or they don't have great facilities to do the assessment. And so, yeah, the county matters. It really does. But the county that's going to be filed in is where this person is physically located. That's it. So I wanted to share that with you. If you have any comments or questions, please post them. I read all of them, and I typically respond within about 24 hours, if not a little quicker. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe to the channel, I'd be grateful. With that said, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.